Hi students, now part D graphs. In part D graphs, what is the 26th problem? Check whether the following pair of linear equations represent intersecting, parallel, coincident lines and verify it by graphical representation. What are the pair of linear equations given? 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y is equal to 7. Now what is given? Pair of linear equations given 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and see this can be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and another equation that is 3x minus y is equal to 7. This is nothing but a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This can be written as 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. We have pair of linear equations. They are a1x plus b1y minus c1 plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 1. a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Now you have a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 1, minus y means minus 1 and c2 is equal to minus 7. We have to check whether they are intersecting lines, parallel or coincident lines. What is the condition we have? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then they are intersecting lines. If what is the condition for parallel lines? If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. What is the condition for coincident lines? a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. They are all equal to each other. Means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then they are coincident lines. We have to check whether they are intersecting, parallel or coincident lines. What is the condition we have? a1 by a2. First we will find out a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, so that we can understand whether they are intersecting, parallel or coincident lines. What is a1 by a2? 2 by what is a2? 3. Next b1 by b2. We will find b1 by b2. 3 by minus 1 means minus 3. c1 by c2. c1 by what is c1 by c2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 7 means 1 by 7. By this a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. We need a1 by a2 here. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then what is the condition for intersecting lines? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then they are intersecting lines and they are consistent. The intersecting point is only one point. Unique solution. The solution of intersecting lines is unique, means they will have only one solution. You see, don't bother about c1 by c2 in intersecting lines. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by 2. Means 2 by 3 anyway is not equal to minus 3. They are not equal to each other. Now you can write they are intersecting lines. Intersecting line means consistent. They will have unique solution. They will have intersecting lines will have unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. One solution. Now, we understood that these two lines or given lines are intersecting lines. They will have only unique solution. They will have unique solution. They intersect at only one point. That point satisfies this equation and also this equation. Now, intersecting lines, we can draw rough diagram. What is the rough diagram for intersecting lines? Intersecting lines. It is a graph intersecting. This is intersecting point. These are L1. This is L2. They intersect at only one point. It is in the form of XY. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. They intersect only one point. You see, it is in the form of XY. If you want to draw intersecting lines, you should have coordinates, means points you need. We have to find x coordinate and y coordinate, means we have to find solution set for this equation and also this equation. We will find out the solution set for this equation. See, you take 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. It can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to, already we know x, we have to find the y coordinate. Instead of x, we have to substitute the real numbers so that we will get the value of y. Y should be in the form of, in terms of x. We will find the value of y in terms of x. You see, how can you do this one? This can be written as 3y is equal to 1 minus 2x. This can be written as y is equal to 1 minus 2x by 3. We have to find the solution set. Solution set means points. They are in the form of x coordinate and y coordinate. xy, point. Let us find x coordinate and y coordinate. They are nothing but x. And what is y here? 1 minus 2x by 3. As we will find out, x coordinate we will take 2. First we will take minus 2 I will take. If you substitute the value of x in y, you will get y coordinate. See, 1 minus 2 into, what is the value of x here? Minus 2 you substitute by 3. You will get minus 2, comma, minus into minus plus 4. 1 plus 4 you will get. 1 plus 4 means 5 by 3. What is the coordinate? X coordinate is minus 2. If you take minus 2, what is the y coordinate you are getting? 5 by 3. This can be written as minus 2 and 3 ones are 3.20 means 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. You will get minus 2 and 1.66. We have to prepare a solution set for this equation and also this equation. After finding the solution set points, we have to draw the graph. Next I will take, instead of, here I have taken minus 2, then I will take minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 I will take. What is the value of x I have taken? Minus 1 by 3. If I take minus 1, see, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2. 1 here, 1 minus 1 comma 1 plus 2 by 3. Here I will get, if you take minus 1 as x coordinate, I will get 3 by 3 means 1. As next I will, minus 2 I have taken, minus 1 I have taken. Next I will take 0. 0. What is y coordinate? 1 minus 2 into 2x means 2 into 0. by 3 is equal to, if you take 0, 1 minus 2 into 0, 0. Means 1 minus 0 means you will get 1 by 3. Means 0, comma, 1 by 3 means you will get point, see 10 means 0.33 you will get. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 0.33. Next I will take 1. 1 I will take 1 minus 2 into, instead of x, in place of x substitute 1 here, because I have taken x coordinate as 1 by 3. You will get 1 minus 1 by 3 you will get is equal to 1 minus 0.33. See, 1 by 3 means 0.33. Here minus 1 by 3 means minus 0.33. Last I will take 2. 1 minus 2 into 2 by, I have taken minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2 I have taken by 3. 2 comma 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 means minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 1. How many coordinates we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coordinates. Minus 2, 1.66, minus 1, 1, 0, 0.33, 1, minus 0.33 and 2 minus 1. I will write here solution set for this one. Here only I will write. So that minus 2, 1.66, comma, solution set. Solution set. Minus 2, 1.66, minus 1, 1, 0.33, comma, 1 comma minus 0.33, comma 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. These are the points, solution set of 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Now we will prepare solution set for 3x minus y is equal to 7. We will prepare ordered pairs for 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. See, I will prepare here 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. I have to write y in terms of x. 3x minus 7 is equal to y. Y is equal to 3x minus 7. X, y means x, y means 3x minus 7. Now, we will prepare ordered pairs x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate and y coordinate. X and what is y here? 3x minus 7. In place of x, I will take real numbers minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Because we need 2 points to draw any line. See, minus 2 I have taken 3 into substitute minus 2 in place of x. 3 into minus 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 minus 7 means minus 30. Next I will take minus 1 I will take 3 into, instead of x I will take minus 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 3 minus 7 minus 10. Next I will take minus 2 minus 1, 0 I will take 0, 3 into, in place of x I have to substitute 0, minus 7 is equal to, if I take, instead of, in place of x, if I take 0, I will get 3 into 0, 0. 0 minus 7, I will get minus 7. Next I will take 1. 1. 3 into 1 minus 7. 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 7, minus 4. Next I will take 2. 3 into 2 minus 7. If I take 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 7, minus 1. Minus 1. Now you write what are the ordered pairs. What is the solution set for 3x minus y is equal to 7? Here I will write solution set. Say minus 2 minus 13 minus 1 minus 10. Next 0 minus 7. Next 1 minus 4 and 2 minus 1. This is the solution set for 3x minus y is equal to 7. What is the solution set for 2x plus 3y is equal to 1? This. You see common ordered pair. You check what is the common ordered pair from these solution sets. You see 2 minus 1. Here 2 minus 1 is there. And here also 2 minus 1 is there. This is the intersecting point. Common ordered pair is the intersecting point of these two lines. Intersecting point. Because it will have unique solution. 2 minus 1 is the intersecting point. 2 minus 1 satisfies both these equations. Next, I will draw the graph using these ordered pairs. To draw any graph, to draw a line, to draw a straight line, we need only 2 points. But I have taken many points. Real numbers I have taken minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Like that I have taken. But we need only 2 points to draw any line. Next, I will draw the graph and you can understand how to draw the graph. Now we have to draw the graph of 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. With the help of these solution sets, ordered pairs, we have to draw the graph. This is x-axis and y-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. And on scale I have taken x-axis 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This distance is 1 centimeter. I have taken 1 unit. On y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units I have taken. We will draw the graph of 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2, 1.66. Minus 2. I will take the pen because it is easy to identify. But you have to draw with pencil only. Minus 2, 1.66. Minus 2, 1.66 will be here. I am taking point A. Next, minus 1, 1. Minus 1 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. Here, this is point B. I have taken 0.33. 0.33 will be here. This point C. I have taken this is point C. Here. 1 minus 0.33. 1 is here. Minus 0.33 will be here. See, this is D. And 2 minus 1. Where is 2? 2 on x-axis, minus 1 on y-axis. This is 2 and minus 1. This is this point E. This is a common point. I will write 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So I will draw the graph using We need only 2 points to draw graph, but we have many points. I am drawing the graph which is passing through 2 minus 1. This is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. I will draw another graph, that is 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Where is minus 2 minus 13? Minus 2 minus 13 will be here. This is minus 2 minus 13. I will take point P. Minus 2 minus 13. Minus 1 minus 10. Minus 1 minus 10 will be here. And taking point Q. 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7. 0 on x-axis. Minus 7 on y-axis. Here it will be 0 minus 7. PQ or I will take or. Next 1 minus 4. 1 on x-axis minus 4 means it will be here. PQ or S I will take. Last state 2 minus 1 which is common point. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be here only. Same. PQ or S T. T. Through these points I will draw the graph. We need only 2 points to draw a graph, but you have to use pencil. You have to use pencil with the help of pencil. This is 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Intersecting point of these two lines is, already I told you, 2 minus 1. This intersecting point is intersecting point of these two lines, 2 minus 1. Hi students, we found intersecting point of 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y is equal to 7 graphically. What is the intersecting point? 2 minus 1. You should remember when problem is given how to do the problem. What are the steps involved in it? You see, first step, first you have to find the ratio of the coefficients, comparison of the ratios, whether they are intersecting lines, parallel or coincident lines. That is the first step. Next step, we have to prepare ordered pairs. We have to prepare solution set for 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 or any equation, and we have to prepare ordered pairs, means solution set for 3x minus y is equal to 7. Next, we have to draw the graph using these ordered pairs. We will get in this problem we got an intersecting point, that is 2 minus 1 from the graph. Now, whether our answer is true or false, you have to verify. We have two methods verification. We have method 1, and by elimination method also we can verify whether the intersecting point of these two lines is 2 minus 1 or not. We can check. What is the first method? We have, since 2 minus 1 is unique solution of these two lines, it satisfies both the equations. I have taken first equation, substitute 2 minus 1 in 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. I will take LHS, 2x plus 3y. Substitute the value of xy. In place of x, you have to substitute 2. In place of y, you have to substitute minus 1. 2 into 2 plus 3 into, what is the value of y? Minus 1. 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 1, 3. 4 minus 3, you got what? It is a common point for both the equation. You should remember. Common point in solution sets. You see the solution set, common point in these two lines is 2 minus 1. In parallel lines, you don't get common point. You should remember it. Now, in coincident lines, many common points will be there. Now, substitute 2 minus 1 in 3x minus y is equal to 7. I have taken LHS 3x minus 1. In place of x, substitute 2. In place of y, substitute minus 1. 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. You got RHS is equal to 7. Algebraically, we can find elimination method. We can verify whether the intersecting point is 2 minus 1 or not. You see, I have taken 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, 3x minus y is equal to 7. I have taken first equation, second equation. We have to equate these two terms. This is 3y is there, here y is there. You have to multiply this with 3 and this with 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, and this implies if you multiply this with this, you will get 3 3s are 9x minus 3y, 3 7s are 21. This we have to add, plus and minus is there. Adding these two equations, you will get 2x plus 9x, 11x, plus 3y minus 3y cancel. Next, 1 plus 21, you will get 22. 11x is equal to 22. You will get x is equal to 2. 22 by 11, you will get 2. Next, substitute x is equal to 2 in 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. We have to find the value of y. We got x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2 you got. But we should get y is equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. You can substitute one in one of these two equations. No problem. I have substituted 2x in 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. 2. What is the value of 2x here? 2 into 2 plus 3y is equal to 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 3y is equal to 1. 3y is equal to 1 minus 4. You will get minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 by 3. You will get minus 1. As so, intersecting point is 2 minus 1. Verified. As our answer is true. Like this, you can check whether the intersecting point is 2 minus 1 or not. By elimination method you can find out, or by substitution method also you can find out.